Which bikini trimmer is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Ufri Bikini Trimmer. The Ufri Bikini Trimmer caught my eye right away with its sleek design and price point of $19.99. For the budget-conscious who still want quality, this trimmer is worth a serious look. It comes with all essential accessories, including 3 specialized trimmer heads for various hair types, which means you're fully equipped for head-to-toe grooming. This trimmer features precision ceramic blades that are gentle on the skin, preventing pulling and irritation, perfect for sensitive areas like the bikini line. The IPX7 waterproof design allows you to groom in the shower, making cleanup super easy. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, so you can take it wherever you go. With over 6,200 reviews and a solid 4.2-star rating, many users rave about its performance. Here's the thing, though, if you're looking for a trimmer that's easy to use for quick touch-ups, this isn't a deal-breaker. It's still an outstanding choice for everyday grooming needs. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile trimmer that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something with longer battery life. At $19.99, it offers great value for money. Now, if the battery life issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, OLOV Electric Body Hair Trimmer. Next up is the OLOV Electric Body Hair Trimmer, priced at $29.88. This one grabbed my attention with its dual functionality for both men and women, making it quite the multitasker. If you're after something that works below the waist yet feels great on other body parts too, this is worth considering. That means you can confidently tackle your bikini area without fear of nicks. It's waterproof too, which means you can use it in the shower, saving you time on cleanup. The 2 adjustable trimming guards allow for different hair lengths, catering to your specific grooming needs. With over 20,100 reviews and a 4.3-star rating, it's clear many users are satisfied. However, some users mention that it can be a bit bulky for small hands. But honestly, once you get used to it, the performance is fantastic and it's still manageable. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable trimmer for multiple areas. Skip this one if you have small hands and need a more compact design. Considering its features, it's a solid buy at $29.88. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize painless shaving. Product number 3, Risina Electric Foil Shaver. The Risina Electric Foil Shaver is next on the list, and it's priced at $26.99. I was really impressed by its bold design and promises of painless shaving. If you want to feel confident while grooming, this might just be the one for you. What stands out is its hypoallergenic ceramic precision blades. They glide through hair without pulling, making it perfect for sensitive skin. The IPX7 waterproof rating means you can use it in the shower, which is a huge plus for those who dread cleanup. Plus, it can give you up to 90 minutes of cordless runtime after just a 2-hour charge. With around 13,500 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating, it's clear this trimmer is popular. However, some users reported that the charge time could take longer than expected. Here's the deal though, if you're someone who can plan ahead for grooming sessions, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish trimmer that's effective and easy to use. Skip this one if you're in a rush and need something that charges quickly. For the features it provides, it's definitely worth $26.99. Now, if you want something with even more versatility, let's talk about another great option. Product number 4, Risina Bikini Trimmer. The next product is another from Risina, a bikini trimmer priced at $23.99. This caught my eye for its promise of no cuts or razor burns, definitely something that sounds appealing. If you want a hassle-free grooming experience, this is worth considering. This trimmer features 2 interchangeable heads, allowing you to switch between body trimming and facial hair removal effortlessly. It's also designed for wet and dry use, so whether you're in the shower or at your vanity, it's ready to go. The R-shaped rounded edges ensure a smooth glide, minimizing any irritation. Plus, it boasts a 4.3-star rating with 13,500 reviews, indicating many users appreciate its performance. But some users have said that the battery life could be better. Honestly, while that's a valid point, the ease of use and effectiveness make it a solid choice for regular grooming. This is perfect for you if you want something gentle and user-friendly. Skip this one if you prioritize battery longevity. For $23.99, it's a great deal for the quality you get. Now, if you're looking for something that also offers a solid warranty, let's check out the next one. Product number 5, OLOV Electric Body Hair Trimmer Black. Last but not least, we have the OLOV Electric Body Hair Trimmer in sleek black, priced at $29.99. This is essentially a twin of the previous OLOV trimmer but in a different color. If aesthetics matter to you as much as functionality, this could be a great fit. It's also waterproof, making it a breeze to use in the shower. With 2 adjustable trimming guards, you can customize your grooming according to your preference. With the same 4.3-star rating and 20,100 reviews, it's clear that this model has a strong following too. However, a few users pointed out it can be slightly noisy during operation. But here's the thing, if you're looking for a reliable trimmer that performs well, a little noise is a minor trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want a good-looking, effective trimmer for any area. Skip this one if noise is a deal-breaker for you. At $29.99, it provides excellent value for its performance and design. To wrap it up, we've explored 5 fantastic bikini trimmers. The UFRI offers great value for budget-conscious shoppers, while the OLOV trimmer shines with versatility. Risina's electric foil shaver stands out for its smooth and painless experience, and the other Risina model is user-friendly. Finally, the OLOV in black adds a stylish touch. Choose the one that best fits your needs and happy grooming.